Hi, I'm Lewis and I'm going to be showing you how to fit the Bulldog AJ10 Hitch Lock. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get the hitch ball out of the pack. You then want to lift this lever all the way forward to open the hitch head and place the ball inside. Lock the hitch in place and that secures the ball, stopping anyone from hitching up. Next, you grab the hitch lock itself, and with the included keys, you just simply unlock and remove the central locking bar. Keeping the black handle up, move the breakaway cable out of the way, place the hitch lock over the handle, then reinsert the locking bar all the way through and lock into place. And that is how you fit the Bulldog AJ10 Hitch Lock. For more information or to purchase one of these, please visit the link below and that will take you straight to our online shop.